Hello, welcome to my channel, The Cloud Guru. So today I came up with a viral tip for your computers or your laptops. I am 100% sure you people, most of the people don't know about this tip. So you people are aware about that. All the computers or laptops required a software to run or a user-friendly software which is mandatory to run on a laptop or a computer to use your computers. So today I am going to explain you how to freely achieve a mandatory software which is in your laptop or in your computer. So all of our people are aware about that. If you are purchasing a new laptop or a computer, you will get operating system which is called as Windows, Microsoft Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix. Today we are going to discuss about Microsoft own product which is called as Microsoft Windows. So when you purchase a laptop, you will for sure you will get a operating system most of the cases, and sometimes they will provide you MS Office, antivirus, and some other softwares which is as a subscription for 1 year or a 6 months of period. So what is MS Office or Microsoft Office system? It is a mandatory software for all the computer users to edit a document. We required MS Word for doing the calculation for accounting people, which is required, mandatorily required MS Excel, and presentations for the presentation and all, we required PowerPoint. So without paying anything, how you will get this as free? Let's go. So on your computer or your laptop keyboard, you just need to press a key combination of Shift, Control, Start, and Alt key together. So you can see in the screen Shift, Control, Windows, and Alt key together. When you press it, it will automatically pop up and open a browser, and it will show you Welcome to the Microsoft Office 365 app. So what you can do, you can see here what is available freely for you when you press this combination of buttons. You will get a free Word, free Excel, and PowerPoint, including free 5 GB of secured online storage for storing your files and photos. And also you can easily share securely these documents with your friends or colleagues anywhere. So how to use this? After pressing that combination, it will ask you to click on sign in or create a free account. So why we need a Microsoft account? To use this feature, it is mandatory to have a Microsoft account. You can start a free account with Microsoft with your existing Gmail ID, or you have an Outlook ID, or any personal ID, you can use it. You can just need to enter your details, your ID, and click on next. And very few steps, you can simply open a Microsoft account. I am not going to create an account. I already have an account, existing account. So I am just going to sign in with that account. Just click on sign. It will ask you the already signed in account. If you already logged in with your existing Microsoft account on this computer or your laptop, it will pop up here. I'm just clicking my personal account and clicking on continue. It will directly open your Microsoft Office 365 page. You can simply use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote without spending anything. I hope you like this video. I am coming up with more tips and tricks for your computers and for your laptops. So please subscribe Bharat Cloud Guru, the Cloud Guru. Please support me, share this video. Thank you.